Elon Musk doesn't just build robots. He owns some of the most insanely expensive and futuristic machines on Earth. Want to see them? 10. Tesla's Robot Army. Gigafactory Automation. Step into any Tesla Gigafactory, and you might feel like you've just walked onto the set of a sci-fi movie. These facilities are crawling with robotic arms, thousands of them, all moving in synchronized precision, doing everything from welding and painting to assembling complex electrical systems. These aren't your average factory bots either. They're high-end machines from manufacturers like KUKA and Fanuc, some costing upwards of $500,000 each. And when you factor in the hundreds or even thousands Musk uses across Tesla factories in Berlin, Shanghai, Texas, and Nevada, you're talking about billions of dollars in robotics. But here's the twist. These robots are smart. They learn. Tesla integrates AI, so these machines adapt and optimize in real time, reducing waste and boosting efficiency like never before. Musk's goal? A factory so autonomous, it runs with almost zero human involvement. Would you feel safer in a car built entirely by robots? Let's hear your take. 9. SpaceX Starship Welding Robots. Now let's talk rockets. When you're building a spaceship designed to survive the extreme chaos of launch and re-entry, even a tiny weld flaw can be fatal. That's why SpaceX uses multi-million-dollar robotic welding systems specifically engineered for Starship production. These bots use laser-guided AI, temperature control systems, and ultra-thin welding tech to create seamless joints on high-grade stainless steel. Imagine welding with sub-millimeter precision on a skyscraper-sized spaceship. Yeah, that's what these robots do. Each robot is custom designed and engineered, with costs estimated in the multi-millions per unit. But considering they're a critical piece in the plan to colonize Mars, they're priceless in Musk's playbook. Fun fact, these bots are the reason Starship is not only reusable, but also potentially stronger and lighter than any other spacecraft ever built. Without them, deep space travel wouldn't even be on the table. 8. Tesla bot Optimus, the humanoid assistant. Remember when Elon Musk walked on stage with a guy in a robot costume and claimed that Tesla was building a humanoid robot? Yeah, people laughed. Fast forward, and Tesla has actually built Optimus, aka the Tesla bot. And it walks, lifts, carries, and even does yoga now. This isn't just for show. Optimus is designed to replace humans in dangerous, boring, or physically demanding jobs. Think warehouse work, manufacturing, or even your grocery run. Powered by Tesla's self-driving AI, Optimus doesn't follow pre-written code like traditional bots. It sees, understands, and learns from its surroundings. As of now, prototypes already move autonomously and handle basic tasks. Price tag? Musk hinted that Optimus could be priced like a luxury car in the future. But development costs? Easily over $1 billion so far. Is this the future of labor? Would you hire a Tesla bot for house chores? Number 7. SpaceX Autonomous Drone Ships. Ever wonder how SpaceX lands rockets in the middle of the ocean with mind-blowing precision? That's thanks to their autonomous drone ships, with names like, "Of course I still love you," and "Just read the instructions." These floating landing pads are robotic marvels. They use AI to navigate to exact coordinates, stabilize in rough seas, and handle the enormous shock of a Falcon 9 landing at high speed. We're talking rocket boosters landing vertically on a boat, flawlessly. Each drone ship costs over $50 million, not including the robotic systems that help guide, secure, and reset the boosters. And here's the kicker. These ships are why SpaceX can reuse rockets, which cuts launch costs dramatically. Without them, Musk's vision of affordable space travel wouldn't fly. Literally. Would you trust a robot to catch a falling rocket? Crazy, right? Number 6. AI-powered factory robots. Musk didn't stop at robots that follow instructions. He built robots that think. Tesla's AI-driven manufacturing robots are next level. They don't just perform tasks, they analyze data in real time, predict equipment failure, and optimize production before any human notices a problem. They're like digital factory managers on steroids. These bots form a neural network ecosystem, meaning they talk to each other, share insights, and learn continuously. It's like Skynet, but for cars. Development and deployment costs for these smart systems? Easily in the tens of millions per factory. But the payoff is huge. Reduced downtime, better quality control, and factories that literally improve themselves. We're witnessing the rise of self-evolving manufacturing. Would you feel more confident buying a car built by self-learning robots? Number 5. Neuralink Surgical Robot. This is where it gets sci-fi. Musk's company, Neuralink, created a robot designed to perform brain surgery, not on skulls, but on individual neurons. This $10 million plus surgical robot inserts ultra-thin electrode threads, thinner than a human hair, into the brain with micron-level precision. No human hand can come close. Guided by AI and real-time brain imaging, this robot can avoid blood vessels while implanting chips meant to read and write brain activity. The goal: help people with paralysis control devices, cure neurological diseases, and one day, merge human minds with AI. Whether that excites you or terrifies you probably depends on how much Black Mirror you've watched. But either way, this robot is a glimpse into a radically different human future. Would you ever let a robot do your brain surgery? Let that sink in. Number 4. Tesla Robotaxis, AI on wheels. Elon's dream of an autonomous transportation network. It's not just about cool cars, it's about robotic taxis. Tesla robotaxis are self-driving vehicles designed to operate without a driver, fully autonomous, fully electric, and powered by Tesla's AI. Essentially, it's a robot with 4 wheels and a steering wheel it barely needs. Loaded with sensors, cameras, and neural network chips, each car is a mobile supercomputer. Musk claims 1 million robo-taxis could hit the streets soon, depending on regulatory approval. The development cost for Tesla's full self-driving software and hardware sits well into the billions. But the plan is that Tesla owners can make money by letting their cars operate as part of the robo-taxi fleet. Goodbye, Uber. Hello, AI chauffeur. Would you ride in a robo-taxi? Or is the idea of a car with no driver still too weird? Number 3. SpaceX Mars Exploration Robots. Before humans step foot on Mars, robots will pave the way. And not just any robots. SpaceX is developing exploration bots capable of working in brutal Martian conditions. These bots are expected to handle everything from soil analysis to building infrastructure for future colonies. They'll need to survive extreme cold, intense radiation, and communicate without real-time help from Earth. Each unit could cost tens of millions to design, build, and launch. But their mission? Priceless. They'll act as the first engineers, medics, and scientists on Mars. If they fail, humans won't survive. Period. These machines will terraform Mars so we can live there someday. Wild, right? Are you ready for robots to be the first Martians? Number 2. Hyperloop Tunnel. Boring robots. Tired of traffic? So is Elon. His solution? Go underground, fast. The Boring Company is developing Hyperloop Tunnel boring robots, advanced machines that dig, reinforce, and pave tunnels at record speed. Each costs tens of millions, but the payoff is an underground network where pods zip people across cities at airplane speeds. Unlike traditional TBMs, tunnel boring machines, Musk's bots aim to be smaller, faster, and fully automated. They're already being tested in Las Vegas and Los Angeles. Think about it. Beating traffic by diving underground at 700 miles per hour in a vacuum tube. That's what these bots are building. Would you ride the Hyperloop? Or does that sound like a billionaire fever dream? Number 1. Tesla Dojo, the AI supercomputer. The most expensive robot Musk owns isn't even a robot. It's Dojo, Tesla's custom-built AI supercomputer. Built specifically to train Tesla's neural networks, Dojo can process terabytes of driving data per second. It's the brain behind Tesla's full self-driving AI and could revolutionize machine learning as a whole. Dojo is reportedly more powerful than even some of the biggest supercomputers used in science and government labs. Development costs? Likely hundreds of millions, maybe more. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just train cars, it trains robots. It could one day power Optimus, Robotaxis, Mars bots, you name it. In a way, Dojo is the brain of Musk's entire robot empire. Would you trust an AI trained by a machine smarter than every programmer combined? So there you have it. 10 of the stupidly expensive, insanely futuristic robots owned by Elon Musk. From brain-slicing surgical bots to Mars-building rovers and AI masterminds, it's clear Musk isn't just thinking ahead. He's building the future right now. Which of these robots blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild tech breakdowns. And remember, robots aren't coming, they're already here.